Take a look at these numbers today. 103 at Camp Mabry, almost at 100 at ABIA. By the time the official climate data comes in, we may have actually hit 100 there. We'll see. So the drought and the heat wave just worsening by the day, killing off more and more Austin trees. There you see the number of days so far, 37 100-degree days this summer. We are ahead of where we were in 2009, and we ended up at 68, almost reached the record. I mentioned the trees. The city of Austin is hosting a workshop on what you can do to keep your trees healthy during this drought, but the city says hundreds, if not thousands, are already succumbing to the stress. You'll find out more about that workshop right here under the weather tab. That's the weather blog topic today. All right, let's take a look outside. We're partly cloudy, and we are currently at 101 degrees in the city around the area. 102 out in Llano right now, 99 around Lake Travis, 99 up in Georgetown, upper 90s to the east. If you're not 100, it feels like 100 because of the humidity levels, which aren't, excessively high, but it's close to 105 degrees, or feels like 105 at the airport, and 100 to 104 so elsewhere. 101 in the city and partly cloudy. Out at the airport, it is partly cloudy, and, well, we have just now hit 100 degrees at the airport, so it'll officially go into the books there, too, as another triple-digit day. 6 to 12 mile per hour winds, sunsets at 8:31 tonight. Mold count today still high, but down a little bit from yesterday. Since there's not much weather to talk about locally, let's talk about the tropics here. Brett is still weakening there west-northwest of Bermuda. Tropical storm Cindy moving way out over the North Atlantic. Brett's going to dissipate here in a couple of days, not affect Bermuda or any land areas for that matter. And Cindy is not expected to either. So rather uneventful start to the season, with the exception of Arlene that caused some problems down in Mexico. Hurricane Dora, boy, they're glad on the Mexico coast that she is going to end up being uneventful for them, except for the high surf along the coast. Dora staying far enough off the coast that they're not getting any of the wind or the flooding rainfall. But Category 4 storm, the path of Dora should be out here to the west, northwest, and weaken, and then gradually dissipate here over the next 5 days. But look at those winds. 150 mile per hour sustained, gusting over 180 miles per hour. Significant hurricane. Temperatures around Texas, everybody real hot, a lot of 100s in the middle of the state as that high pressure ridge stretches from here now to the northeast. Look at Washington, D.C.'s heat index right now, 111 degrees. That's how hot it feels. Last hour it was 113. That heat ridge stretching from Texas to the northeast. So even though we have a little flow coming in off the Gulf of Mexico, there's nothing that would give us rain out of that flow, an isolated shower at best over the next couple of days. But overall, no heat relief. In fact, it's going to get worse before it gets better. I'll show you that in the 7-day forecast. Here are the lows tonight, 70s. Here are your highs tomorrow. And again, I think these are a little conservative. Many spots get to 100 degrees or above. 78 tonight, and tomorrow in Austin, we'll likely hit 102 again. And then on Saturday, 103. Rain chances are going to shut off as this heat ridge builds back westward. And so we are going to gradually get hotter. We may be talking about some fairly regular 104s and 105s. Next week. Yikes.
Oof, no, not looking forward to that.
Leslie, let me tell everybody about our X the Text Thumb Band event. It is this Saturday from 11 to 1 out at Lake Travis at Zipline Adventures. We're giving away thousands of them for free.
Okay.